Alright, good afternoon or good morning or whatever. I'm coming to you live from second period class, so if they meet my expectations and stay silent, I will give them a +3. But we'll see. No, wait, +1, sorry, not +3. That's still a point more. Alright, anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to get to the Snip tool really quickly. So if you could see the bottom Windows logo at the bottom left corner of your screen, you're going to click that. Then you're going to type in Snip. Click the snipping tool. So the reason why you're doing this is so you can crop your plant cell and your animal cell apart from each other. So I'm going to click New right here. I'm going to highlight my animal cell. Then I'm going to, let me move this window over so you can see it. I'm going to click File, Save As, animal cell, then save. Alright, that is how you use the snipping tool. That was a good 30 seconds or a minute, and I am done. If you have any questions, just message me.